Power meets reliability. This is the Honda-powered SIMPSON 4200 PSI Pressure Washer. Built to perform. When it comes to reliability, nothing beats a Honda GX390 engine. This isn't just about pressure. It's about trustworthy, consistent power that gets the job done. At 4200 PSI and 4.0 gallons per minute, you're getting more than just raw force. You're getting the ability to tackle the toughest tasks, from stripping old paint to removing graffiti. This is the pressure washer professionals rely on, for good reason. Let's talk about why it's the best. The CAT Industrial Triplex Plunger Pump is built to last, with advanced oil seal technology that eliminates guesswork. You'll always know when it's time for maintenance with the sight glass, giving you a clear view of the oil level. No dipsticks, no hassle, just pure performance. And overheating? Not a concern here. This pump is equipped with thermal relief to keep your engine running smoothly, no matter how long the job. What sets this washer apart from the competition? The aircraft-grade aluminum frame. It's corrosion-resistant and designed for durability, paired with 13-inch pneumatic tires to make moving across uneven ground feel effortless. Whether you're navigating rocky terrain or uneven surfaces, this machine is ready. Handling large areas? The 50-foot steel braided hose means you won't have to reposition constantly. It's built to resist kinks and abrasions, so you stay focused on the task at hand. Need flexibility? You've got 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, to match any cleaning surface, from decks to concrete. This washer is designed for more than just home use. It's built for professional-level jobs. Whether you're restoring wood, prepping for paint, or taking on a high-traffic area, the SIMPSON 4200 PSI has the power and reliability to handle every job with ease. And when you're working long hours, the low-oil shutdown feature of the Honda GX390 engine protects your machine, so you can push it to the limit without worry. All this power with the convenience of onboard storage for your accessories. Everything stays organized so you can switch between tasks in seconds, staying efficient from start to finish. For more powerful solutions, the best Briggs & Stratton pressure washer is ready to play on the screen now.